Hi, my name is JR from CVI1. We're going to install a trip unit into a TJK frame. So you want to loosen the 8 screws, flathead screws on the cover. I already got them loose, so let's go. You want to install the trip unit, you want to make sure the outside screws have the lock and a flat washer, and the center only has a lock. So you want to hold the handle down and line up the screws with the screw hole. And you want to use the number 4 Phillips to tighten these. To find out the torque specs, reference the manual. They'll have all the specifications for how tight these should be. So it's the 3 screws to install the trip unit. And use your crescent wrench to tighten them. Alright. And then to install the Loadside Lugs, you want to use the long screws, flatheads with a flat washer. The long screws go through the lug, the trip unit, and the terminal. So you want to put these in, align it with the screw hole so you don't strip the threads. Again, reference the manual for torque specifications. Want to make sure they're in there. Alright, and then same thing for the other 2 terminals. But for now, we're going to install the topside lugs using the 5/16 hex key. I'll usually leave them flush. Alright, and now we're going to close it and trip it. Make sure it's functioning properly. Tripping. Alright, so it works perfectly. And then you want to reinstall the cover, making sure everything comes up, making sure it's flush with the bottom frame, make sure everything's visible, and then tighten the 8 screws. And that's the install for a trip unit in a GE TJK.